Hi, today we are going to talk about few things which we can do it right now and later part of our life we will not regret. Number 1, not spending enough time with our near and dear. We are focusing only on work, business, other things. Not spending enough time on our kith and kin. Later part, in the deathbed, many people they regret for that. I would have spent more time with our near and dear. This is very common mistake many people they do. That we can avoid. We can spend time with our near and dear right now. Number 2, holding grudge with some persons lifelong or very long time. These things will make us unhappy sometimes throughout our life. So don't hold a grudge against few people. We can forgive them, we can forget them. And we are fulfilling dreams of others and ignoring our dreams. Don't be everything for everyone. Try to complete or achieve your dreams. Later part, you want to convince everyone and you don't bother about your own dreams and goals. Later we regret for that. Never regret for that in that way. So try to achieve your goal. Give priority to yourself and your goal. And you can help others also. 4, many a time we don't feel honest. We don't express our own opinion in our home or in our office, anywhere. We don't open our mouth and we don't tell our own opinion. We have a strong opinion but keep it in your mind. And we later regret for that. I would have told like that, I would have done this, that. That is another regret many people they hold at the end of their life. And many people they regret being irresponsible with their finance. They don't take accountability. They don't keep proper financial goals and they don't achieve anything. When they struggle at the end, they regret for it. I have not done properly, I have not saved enough. So many things. Right now you can do that. Educate yourself financially and do the needful immediately. We need not regret later part of our life. Then spending a lot of time with people, those who make you unhappy because of the relationship, because of the friendship. So many reasons. We spend our entire life with those who are making us unhappy. And at the end, we feel very miserable. If they make unhappy, don't, you can avoid them. They may be your blood relatives, your close friends, or close relatives. They can give you, sometimes they can give negative comments and advice. But every time they are making unhappy, this is our habits. habitually they are doing it regularly. Don't worry about them and don't go near them, whoever it may be. So you will be happy and you will spend your entire lifetime happy. Finally, failing because you were scared to fail. Don't take any risk throughout the life because fear of failure. Not taking risk is a risk. So with fear of failure, we don't take any risk in life. That is the biggest risk, biggest mistake in our life. So take calculative risk. You can advance in your life. So later part, we can achieve whatever we want. So these are all things we have to do it. Then we will not regret in later part of our life. Thank you.